Hear me?
Yes.
Thank you. If you might notice, I'm on a different computer today, so hopefully this will work. All right. What happened was the computer or laptop I got from Clark College stopped working just yesterday. And I took it into Clark College and they told me that the hard drive isn't working and the earliest they could replace it would be Wednesday. So we'll have to live with this computer, this is my own, until, well, at least Wednesday, assuming I get it on Wednesday. Any questions about any of that? There is a thing, and that is I'm going to have to take a break around 6 o'clock. Hopefully it'll only be about a 10-minute break, but I apologize for that. But, partly because of this computer and personal issues, I need a break around 6 o'clock. Any question about any of that? Boy, I can't get into Clark here. I'm on a different computer and I'm not used to using this one. So, oh gosh, let me think. Let's, I think I can close that, but I might leave that because I can get in if I could just remember my account. Come on. For 058 maybe. Look up my number here. Anybody remember where we were? All right. I just need 10 afterwards. See if that works. Nobody remembers where we were. I have it marked where we were on the computer that's no longer working. So that's why I'm asking. Meaning
I think we
remember.
left off on chapter 5 when we were going to start talking about the aerobic cellulation.
Aerobic respiration. Okay,
Right.
great. All right, it did look like I got into Clark there. Let me move this. I have the lesson on my thumb drive, but I wasn't sure where we were. Yes. Not hearing me well. You okay? It's my computer, not PCC's. We checked it. And also it dropped background. I don't have the Clark College background anymore. I haven't used this computer for about a year to run because I had to go through a whole bunch of security procedures to even get it running. Can you hear me now? I've got the headphone on.
I can hear you a little better. It's a little choppy at times, though.
If there's questions, we're just going to have to,
All right now.
what? Wanted to have that there.